Hey, Tech Guide Ninjas here. Hope you're having a good day today. So today we're looking at how to translate PDF files to different languages. So we're going to use Google Docs for this, and we need to upload our PDF file to our Google Docs account. So to do this, I'm going to click on the Google Apps, click on Drive. Then I'm going to upload my PDF file. So I'm going to do that by clicking on New, clicking on File Upload, and then finding my PDF. So I'll click on it, click Open, and then it will be uploaded to Google Drive. Then I'm going to click on it to open it, and then I'm going to click Open with Google Docs. So once this is open, this is where we can translate it. So we're going to use the translation tool by clicking on Tools, scroll down and click on Translate Document. Then you'll be prompted to choose a language. So whatever language you want to translate it to. So let's say it's Dutch. I'm going to click on Dutch and click on Translate. And then it will give me a translated copy of my PDF. I hope that was helpful. Please like the video and subscribe. I will see you soon.